Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share chic and trendy boutique interior ideas for a stylish shopping experience. So welcome to our YouTube channel where we dive into the world of interior designs with a focus on boutique spaces. In this video, we are sharing a treasure trove of innovative and stylish boutique interior ideas to inspire your own store or shop makeover. So, step into the world of fashion and retail as we explore a variety of themes, color palettes, and design concepts that will transform your boutique into a customer magnet. From elegant vintage inspired decor to modern minimalistic vibes, we have got it all. Discover how the right lighting, furniture, and layout can create an inviting and unforgettable shopping experience. Explore the world of visual merchandising and learn how to display your products to maximize sales while enhancing the overall ambience of your boutique. We will also share some tips and tricks from expert boutique designers to help you make the most of your space and budget. Whether you are a seasoned boutique owner looking to refresh your store look or a budding entrepreneur in need of inspiration, this video is your ultimate guide for boutique interior designs. So hit that subscribe button and join us on this style journey. Don't forget to like, share, and comment with your favorite ideas. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.